In this video I'm gonna teach you how to make a simple logo reveal in After Effects. You can download this project file in the description down below. Making a new tutorial for each day of the year, day 53 of 365. So you already have the logo and the text of the logo. First I'm gonna create a solid layer to use as a track matte. So let's call this matte, hit OK and move this down. Okay, now we have to create a mask for the track matte, so double click here the rectangle tool and double click here to one of the points of the mask. By holding Ctrl, move this and do something like this, hit enter. Now to use this solid layer as a matte, if you don't see this track matte option, you have to click here in toggle switches and here you have to select with the pick whip the matte. Now if you move your logo outside of the matte, you will see it disappear. Go to the matte, press F, and here we are going to add a little feather to the mask. Put something like 25 and let's animate the logo. So press P, make a keyframe for position. We are going to move this like here at the bottom, go forward and center the logo with Ctrl Home. Now it's at the center of the composition and we have this little reveal. Grab the last keyframe and easy is with F9. Go to the graph editor and make sure you are in the speed graph. So go here and select edit speed graph. Select this last keyframe and move this handle until it's 100%. Now we have this animation and now let's animate the text. Let's make a mask for the text. Grab the pen tool with G and let's make a mask like here and should be something like this. Make it closer to the text. And now let's press M to animate the mask path. Make a keyframe here. Move this keyframe a little forward and here you will bring this closer by double click one point and move it to one side. Hit enter and also press F to add a little feather to the mask. Let's say 25. Let's easy this keyframe, so grab both keyframes, easy with F9 and here at the end let's change the graph editor to something like this and let's preview. We already have this reveal and now we are going to make the logo to go out. So move a little forward, make a keyframe for position of the logo, move forward and now bring this up and make it disappear. I'm gonna bring this closer. Now before the logo goes out, we're going to make the letters to go in first place. So press P and make a keyframe for position of the letters. Let's move this keyframe a little back here. And before the logo goes up, we're going to hide this text inside the logo. So move this like here. Also select the first keyframe, is with F9 and move the speed graph to 100%. And here when it's completely hide inside the logo, let's trim the layer with Ctrl Shift D. Delete the other parts and we have this. To make this more dynamic, I'm going to add a constant zoom. To make that, I'm going to create a null layer. So press Ctrl Alt Shift Y and you will create a null layer. It could be any layer, but the null layer is just to have these properties, the scale up and scale down. So we are going to parent all of these layers, the logo, the text and the matte, to the null. Grab the pick whip, the parent pick whip and select the null. Let's call the null scale. And now for the beginning, make a keyframe in scale and here at the end let's make this 110 for example. Grab both keyframe and easy them with F9 and there you have it. So you can also improve a little bit this animation by adding a motion blur to this layer and the text. So go here to toggle switches to see this icon and select this icon. This will add a little motion blur to the animation and there you have it. So you can download this project file in the description down below and I'll see you in the next tutorial. See ya.